welcome back. Let's do a new project in Zentangling. Let's do a tile today. We'll have our inspiration sheet which we had done in a previous assignment. Let's use that and create a beautiful tile. So I've provided this PDF in your document and it has 2 tiles. So let's start with the first one. Here's your inspiration sheet. I'm going to keep it aside. I'm going to take a pencil and make 4 dots at the edges, at the corners. I'm going to take a line to attach these 4 dots. Make a nice wavy line. You could do a straight line if you like. And then we're going to create some kind of strings. Those are lines which are going to divide our paper into sections, our tile into sections. So here it is just a simple loop. And I'm going to take a thin Sharpie and outline these. Nice and slow. Enjoy the process. And then make a nice big loop. There you go. We have 4 sections. We're going to come up with different designs and ideas to fill them up. So let's take an eraser and erase the pencil lines. If you want, you could create a double line. That goes around outside. And over here, this can go around too. And create this loop over here. And over here. There you go. Now, this is gonna be our first area, and we're gonna start with drawing A's. Okay, once you're done, maybe if you have a finer point, draw another A and another A. So 2 more inside. Okay, now we're done. But I'd like to take my thinner Sharpie and just fill in the bottommost one. Now we're gonna take this, and in this section we are going to draw the U's. Now the next one is going to be horizontal, then a vertical, keep going until you fill up the whole section. Keep turning it. One is horizontal, one is vertical. Okay. Let's divide it here with a line. Now here we're just going to draw like a curved lines. There you go. Now we have to fill in the last section. Let's fill this part in. And here we can do the I dot line dot line dot line dot. So observe that the dot is next to the line. And keep going and finish up the whole. The dots are not next to each other and the lines are not next to each other. The dot is next to the line. You can turn it around and work, whatever makes you feel comfortable. Okay. So now we have, let's draw repetitive views over here and maybe some sad faces over here. And then on the other side as well. Okay. Now we're gonna make little triangles on the bottom. And fill them in. Okay. So here we're going to have the triangles over here. Fill them in. Just make happy faces. And over here, again, triangles on the bottom. Let's keep going over here. There you go. Now we're going to take our soft pencil, shading pencil, and do some shading underneath. Now we're going to take our stub or the blender. You could even use Q-tips or cotton balls. There you go. We're almost done. Find a good spot and sign your initials. Oh, and the second square is for you to try something with your own imagination and creativity. So enjoy. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you had a good time. Remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell for notifications. See you next time. Bye for now.